All right, y'all. It's dark enough. The solar lights have come on. It's dark enough. The door will have already shut in here. And let's see if the little lantern light worked tonight. I can tell you right now, it did not, because they are walking around. Not really walking around. They're all jammed up. So I'm gonna have to go and open that door and play throw a chicken into a coop for the next half an hour. Maybe the lantern will work tomorrow night. At least they're up on the ramp. Like, that's progress. They've never stood on the ramp before. All right, we'll try it again, and I'll let you know if it works the next time.